Can you restore character AI account? So here is character AI app, there is gear icon, and then you scroll to the bottom, you have remove account, and then basically you just enter your username, which you can find in your account, and then just tap remove account. But you need to be careful if you want to do this, because all the characters associated to your account, chats, LV shares, messages, posts, and the memories, everything will be deleted. I don't know, like it doesn't write here that you can restore it. So just be careful, be sure to export your data. And if you deleted it, I'm just not sure if you can ever restore it. Their support is very slow. So, if you deleted account by mistake, it can be impossible to restore it.